So I was watching Candace Jess's video and I was like, oh, July kit lineup, sweet, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm like, Andrea, wait, did you even film a kit lineup? So immediately I decided to sit down and film. I'm hoping to put this up today, the day that I film it, but we'll see. We will see. Because I also don't have like any of this stuff picked out. So it's going to be a real fun time for me and for you. I'm going to put this in where I think my ideas were going with all this, but also I'm just not quite sure what the plan was. So let's go ahead and take a little peek and see, because I don't have foil paired with this. I got nothing paired with this. So I also have like these, but I'm like not sure. Well, I know what this one's for. I don't know what my idea was. So let me take a look. Yeah, I don't really know. Okay, so I'm thinking that I was gonna go with hollow for this, I guess. So this is the splash kit. It is so stinking pretty. And I think this is for the week that I'm currently living in. No, it's for next week. It's for, or no. Yeah, it's for next week, which works. So I'm obviously using hollow. So I have this, which is Pool Floaty from Plan a Hannah that I'm going to use with it. And otherwise, I did not pull anything for it. So I think oh my gosh, I just cracked my foil container. Let me zoom you out so you can see how chunky this thing is. It's like almost impossible to go through at this point. So we're going to pick something for the foil for this. I might honestly just go with like a confetti. I have stars. I have the Plan a Hannah bundle, which I feel like I've used a little bit too much. Need to break it up. I think I might just use a confetti hollow and keep it simple. For this one, I don't know if I have like a seasonal foil, but I don't know if I have anything hollow. And for, I was gonna say Valentine's Day, for summer. Oh, I do. I have this one. Maybe I'll break it up. Maybe I'll do, I don't know. I'm not like super keen on like the like super themed foil. Let me look and see what the other parts of this is. I don't know. I kind of want to just do, I'll put it in there just in case, but I kind of think I just want to keep it simple and just use the confetti. I don't know. We'll just put it in there as a maybe, but that is going to be July 3rd through the 9th. So like the 4th of July week. We're doing like an outdoor like party barbecue thing, but it's really not like 4th of July heavy themed. The next week is going to be shark, which I'm not like sold on the flow of this because I feel like it's just like very like light colors, and then this is smack dab in the middle, but it doesn't really work in my August either. So this one is sharks, and I think that I pushed this before, so I think you've already seen this. I don't know. And I was trying to like look and see like, oh, is there anything I wanted to switch it with from like any other month, and there's just not, TBH. The only one I have is like a mermaid kit, a school kit. Oh, the wax lover kit could be cute, but then I'm like, I guess I could put this. You know what? We're going to make executive decisions. I'm not vibing with this for the current time. So I'm going to put that one in August. I think I'm going to use the wax lover kit because I feel like color-wise, I feel like there's a little bit of a better flow of colors. As far as foil goes with this, I think I am going to use this lavender hollow. Maybe that's what I bought it for. This lavender hollow marble, which I ordered another one already. I was also going to use checker, but I think that the lavender hollow is really pretty with it. As far as lavender hollow goes, let's see what options I have to throw in with it. This is my lavender hollow album. So there is confetti, celestial, luxe, park hopper, hearts, candy, stars, butterflies, birthday. And then in the back, we have cherries and good vibes, which I think I am just gonna be basic and go with confetti. I'm just having a basic moment right now and just put that in there. And I don't think there's any like tall boxes or anything. But also I feel like maybe I'll throw in some of the flowers because there's a lot of the flower shapes. Okay. Okay, I'm not as basic. I feel like this is gonna amp it up a little and then I'll separate it out with the confetti. Okay, that's actually really cute because there is a lot of like the little flower decor and stuff. Okay, I'm into that. I'm also just gonna go ahead and put in one of my customs from Planet Hannah. Obviously have all of my like icons and such like that, but I can pull all of that out later. But okay, I like this one. I like this little setup here. I think that this is gonna be very cute. If you hear any weird noises, Nick just got home, so that is him. That is July 10th through the 16th. Then we have July 17th to the 23rd, which is the week of the Barbie movie. I have my tickets. I'm ready to go. I put in the two newest doodles, which is 7/12 and 7/13. Then I have the new Planet Hannah. This is Pixie Magenta. So I got Bow 6. I got Let's Go Party. I got Confetti 4. And oh wait, I already had one of these. Where did this come from? I don't know. Let's Go Party underlays. I have the confetti headers. I have my script sampler. And then I also had this from Sadie Stickers from a long time ago. But I thought this was like almost an exact match in foil color. So I would use up some of these extra bits. And this is going to be a full pink spread. I will say also I have the characters of Barbie in here as well. But I will say that I was initially going to use light blue. And I think I probably will use this again, maybe for a birthday set or something like that. And I think whenever I use it again, I will use light blue because I think that it matched really, really well. And then last but not least is July 24th through the 30th, and I'm using the Sunny Days. And for this one, I just have a couple of things in here. So I do have this, which was the 9-year freebie #1. That was just like a tie-dye. It's not a perfect match, but I thought it would kind of go with it. And then I also have the beach ball underlay from Planet Hannah, as well as the hippie underlays in Pixie Hollow, which is like her sparkly hollow. And then I don't have anything else to go with this, but as far as sparkly hollow goes, again, sorry if you can hear Nick, but he only has one volume and that's loud. And I am gonna go into my sparkly hollow section. And I think I'm also going to keep this kind of more minimal and maybe also just go with confetti. I don't know. I'm just in like a confetti mood for the summer. This is also silver, so I'm not really sure why it's in the sparkly hollow section. Trying to see if there's like anything else that's a little bit more fun to pull in. I have like mermaid. What is this one? Ooh. Should we do a mixed metal moment? Maybe I'll do mixed metal. The other pieces I have obviously are not mixed metal, but I feel like it could all still work together. What do y'all think? I'm trying to look and see if there's anything else that's really tickling my fancy, but I don't think there is. I think I'm going to go with the mixed metal. I don't know. Because I also have this. This is like chunkier hollow. I think that could be fun. Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to use this one. It's like a chunkier sparkly hollow. So I don't know if shimmer's really giving me summer. It gives me more like fancy or spring. So I think I'm just going to go with that and kind of, this is going to be more of a minimal month. It's going to be more showcasing the art. And again, this one is Sunny Days. But I think overall this is going to be a cute lineup. It's a very, very summer vibes, but honestly that's like kind of been my summer, is like actually going to the pool, going to, you know, do summer activities. I'm sorry, this is kind of rushed and also very last minute in case you were trying to prep. This is just, I'm late, I know. But that is everything. Again, we have Splash, we have Wax Lover, we have Life in Plastic, and Sunny Days. I hope you like this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.